In this demonstration, we are going to take a look at the mobile workspaces that are available for Dynamics 365 for Talent. So we are on the Talent homepage at the moment, and from any page in this system, you can click the gear wheel icon in the upper right-hand corner and select Mobile App. You'll notice that right now we have 3 mobile workspaces available for the system. So I want to publish these to my workspace so that they will actually show up on my mobile device. So first I'm going to select each one and then I'll click publish and it will tell me that each one has been published as I do this. And here's the third one. And now that I have these published, I will be able to use them in my mobile app. So I'm going to close that pane. And then I'm going to switch over to the mobile app and we are going to take a look at how that works. You can see here that I am logged into a mobile workspace for this, and you will just keep in mind that this is through the Dynamics 365 Unified Operations app that you can download from your App Store. So what we've got here are the 3 workspaces. So if I click workspaces here, you can see that I have my team, company directory, and employee self-service. So we're going to take a quick look at each one of these workspaces. So I'll click the my team workspace to take a look at it. And once the my team section opens, you can see all 4 of my direct reports that are listed in the system. And you can see that Benjamin Martin and Kevin Cook have direct reports themselves, just as you would see in the desktop application. So let's click Benjamin Martin, and this gives us a team member summary. And first it will refresh. And you can see here that we will see all of the typical information that we would see if we were viewing this on the desktop. We have contact information, milestones, position, compensation, goals, reviews, and we can click on specific areas. So if I wanted to select position, it would give me more information about that, including the position, the department, the job, position type, full-time equivalent, and the assignment start and end date. So let's go back and we're going to look at another workspace. So I'm going to back up into the workspaces list and I'm going to click company directory. And this will give me a list of all workers who are listed in the system, both employees and contractors. Once that's loaded, you can see that we have all of the entries in the company directory listed in alphabetical order. So if I wanted to search by a certain name, I could click that and I will get my on-screen keyboard just as you're familiar with any mobile device. And if I wanted to, I could click John, and you can see that we get a couple of hits for someone with the first name John. And from here, we can access information about the specific details for that worker. So if I click John Emery, it will give me information about his department, his building address, office location, email address, and his phone number. I can also click to send feedback in the system if I want to. So now let's back up and take a look at our third workspace, which is employee self-service. In the employee self-service workspace, you'll notice that this is going to be very similar to what you would see in the desktop application. We have our personal section, experience, compensation, and contact information. So if I click personal, it will show me the personal details that I have loaded in the system. It will show me gender, birth date, identification numbers, and emergency contacts. And then if I click back, I can look at my experience. And you can see that it lists my current position, when I started, what department I'm in, and how long I've been at the company. So we'll click back again, and we'll look at compensation now. The compensation information is listed with the typical information that you would see in the desktop application, including the fact that it is a fixed compensation plan with the Band West region, the date it went effective, and my actual compensation. If I had a variable compensation listed as well, it would show up here. So I'll click back again, and we'll look at contact information. The contact information section lists the home and business addresses as it typically would in the desktop application, and as well as work phone numbers and a work email address. And anytime you would like to, you can simply log out of your workspace by using the hamburger icon to look at workspaces, notifications, the About section. You can also change your company and you can sign out.